Hello and welcome, dear friends. Today I'm excited to talk about a very important and sensitive topic: unlocking true love with a simple wazifa. Love is one of the most beautiful and essential parts of life, but it should always be for a noble and pure purpose. If you're seeking true love or feel a lack of love in your life, know that with Allah's help, there is a way to address this issue. Remember, any wazifa should be performed with sincerity and with the intention of seeking Allah's pleasure. Today I will guide you through a simple and powerful wazifa that can bring love and peace into your life. Before performing any wazifa, it is important to purify your intention. The purpose of love should always be to seek Allah's pleasure, not for selfish or harmful reasons. You should never try to manipulate anyone's feelings or break someone's heart. True love is pure, sincere, and respectful. Now let me share with you a simple and effective wazifa. One of the most powerful ones is, recite Surah Yusuf, Ayat 4, 3 times every day. Along with this, try to develop the habit of praying extra, nafil prayers. And after each prayer, ask Allah to bless you with true love and harmony in your life. By the grace of Allah, this wazifa can bring peace, love, and stability into your life, and help you connect with the right person in a meaningful way. The process is very simple. Begin by performing ablution, wudu, and offering 2 rakats of nafil prayers. After your prayer, recite Surah Yusuf Ayat 4 3 times. Then make a heartfelt dua, supplication to Allah, asking for love and peace in your life. Keep your heart pure and your intentions sincere. This wazifa is not only beneficial for love but also for purifying your heart and bringing tranquility to your soul. Remember, the key is to perform it with the right intentions and to always seek Allah's blessings. Always remember, love is a gift from Allah. Without Allah's will, no matter what we do, it cannot be successful. So let's keep our hearts pure and make dua with sincerity, trusting that Allah will guide us to true love and happiness. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful and spiritual content. May Allah guide us and bless us with His mercy. Ameen.